When most people hear the word gelatin, they think about colorful childhood desserts. But what if I told you that more and more adults over 50 are now using plain gelatin daily to support their joints, skin, digestion, sleep, and even blood sugar balance? This isn't about sugary supermarket cups. This is about pure, unflavored gelatin, and how it can become a powerful addition to your health routine after 50. Stay with me, because I'll explain how much to take, the best type to choose, common mistakes to avoid, and simple ways to include it in your daily life. Before we go further, if you enjoy practical health tips like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss future videos. I regularly share simple, science-based strategies to help you stay healthy. Now, let me ask you, do you already consume gelatin regularly? Do you use flavored versions or plain? How do you prepare it? I'd love to read your experience in the comments. What type of gelatin am I talking about? Let's clear up a common misunderstanding. I'm not referring to sweetened, artificially colored dessert gelatin. The gelatin I recommend is unflavored, colorless, sugar-free, with no additives. It usually comes as a light yellow powder that turns clear once dissolved in water. This is essentially cooked collagen, and collagen is the most abundant protein in the body. As we age, collagen production naturally declines. That's why adding it back through diet can be helpful. Collagen plays an important role in joint structure and cartilage health. As we grow older, reduced collagen levels can contribute to stiffness and discomfort. Regularly consuming plain gelatin may help support cartilage hydration, joint lubrication, mobility, bone structure. Remember, bones are not just calcium. They are living tissues that rely on protein for strength and flexibility. Supporting collagen intake supports both joints and bones together. When people hear collagen, they immediately think of wrinkles. Yes, collagen helps maintain firmness and elasticity. But beyond appearance, the skin is your body's largest protective barrier. It shields you from environmental stress and infections. Maintaining collagen levels helps support skin integrity, resilience, and healthy aging. Gelatin contains glycine, an amino acid that may help soothe the digestive tract. Some people find it helpful for occasional reflux, mild stomach irritation, supporting gut comfort. Another benefit? Hydration. When you prepare gelatin, you mix it with water. That increases fluid intake, which is essential for healthy intestinal movement. Many older adults struggle to drink enough water daily, so gelatin can be a simple and enjoyable way to stay hydrated. Plain gelatin is low in calories, high in protein, naturally filling. Protein increases satiety, meaning you feel full longer. That can help reduce cravings and unnecessary snacking. You can also use gelatin to replace high-calorie desserts. For example, mix with coconut milk for a creamy treat. Combine with yogurt and cinnamon. Prepare small homemade gummies. It's satisfying without adding excess sugar. Gelatin contains glycine. It may support relaxation and better sleep quality. Many adults over 50 experience lighter or fragmented sleep. Small supportive habits can make a meaningful difference. Better sleep supports immune health, hormone balance, brain function, memory, cardiovascular health. Gelatin isn't a miracle solution, but it can complement a healthy sleep routine. Creative ways to use gelatin. One of the best things about plain gelatin is its versatility. You can use it in smoothies, puddings, functional gummies, sweet or savory dishes. For example, dissolve it in chamomile tea for an evening treat. Add turmeric and cinnamon. Mix with mashed banana. Combine with chia seeds. It becomes a base for other healthy ingredients. How much should you take? While individual needs vary, many sources suggest 10 to 20 grams per day as a reasonable amount for adults. You can buy small packets at the supermarket or larger bulk options from reputable suppliers if using it daily. Just ensure it is pure and free from added sugar or artificial ingredients. Final thoughts. Plain, unflavored gelatin is simple, affordable, and surprisingly beneficial, especially after 50. It may support joint comfort, skin health, digestive function, hydration, satiety, sleep quality. It's not magic, but combined with balanced nutrition, movement, and proper hydration, it can be a smart daily addition. If this video helped you, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you stay connected. See you in the next video.